Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset an oil service light in a third generation Ford Focus. If we put our key in the ignition right now and turn it to the on position without starting the car, you can see that oil change required comes up on the dash. To reset this, you're actually going to go onto your pedals and press and hold the gas and the brake pedal. And as you can see while I'm holding these pedals, Service Oil Reset in Progress comes up on the dashboard. You're going to keep holding those pedals and then eventually the message is going to change and say Oil Reset Complete. Now this does take about 25 seconds on the pedals, so be patient holding that down. But when you do this, your service light reset is complete. You can take your feet off of the pedals, and now just to cycle the ignition to show you, when you turn that back on, there's no oil reset light that comes up.